We'll guide you through how to add due date in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, navigate to your computer desktop screen. Scan your desktop carefully until you locate your Google Chrome browser icon. Then click it once to open the application and select your preferred Chrome profile, if you have more than one available. Wait a few seconds for the browser to launch completely so every feature is ready to use. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the search bar located at the top of the window. Click it once, type notion.com, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Allow the Notion homepage to load fully before continuing. After the page is ready, direct your eyes to the upper right corner of the screen, hover your cursor over the Open Notion button, and click it once. Your Notion workspace will begin loading, so wait until it appears completely. Then look toward the left sidebar where all of your pages are listed. Find the list page stored inside the private section and press it once to open it. When the table is displayed, hover your mouse over the plus icon beside the existing columns and click it once to create a new property. A menu will appear on the screen, so scroll downward until you find the date option, then press it once to select it. A new date column will immediately be added to your table. Move your cursor to the empty cell directly beneath the new date column and click it once to open the calendar pop-up window. Select your desired due date by clicking the correct number on the calendar. Next, look at the options below the calendar and click Remind to enable a reminder for the due date. Choose the reminder timing you want, such as 1 day before the due date. Then click anywhere outside the calendar pop-up to save your changes. You will now see the due date displayed in the table along with the reminder that has been successfully applied.